Our today's topic is on someone you know who made a good decision. Describe someone you know who made a good decision recently. Who he she is. When he she made the decision. What decision he she made. Why it was a good decision. And explain how to felt about the decision. Although I know many people who are critical decision makers, here I would like to talk about my friend Suhavna, who recently made a really good decision. Suhavna is a close friend of mine who has been struggling with her weight for some time now. She is 31 years old. About 5 months ago, she was hospitalized due to liver fat and she was gaining weight due to an unhealthy lifestyle and food. At that time, her weight was 75 kilograms, which was not ideal for her age, so doctors advised her to change her lifestyle completely. Otherwise, she would have to face serious adversities. Therefore, she decided that it was time to make a change and lose weight. She realized that carrying extra weight was affecting her health and self-esteem, so she made up her mind to do something about it. Suhavna started by changing her diet, cutting out junk food and sugary drinks, and eating more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. She also began exercising regularly, going for walks, and doing workouts at home. It was a really good decision for her because she started seeing results pretty quickly. Not only did she start losing weight, but she also felt more energetic, happier, and more confident in herself. Her clothes started fitting better, and she even noticed improvements in her overall health, like better sleep and fewer aches and pains. When she first told me about her decision to lose weight, I could tell she was a bit nervous but also determined. Now, she is feeling proud of herself for sticking with it and making such a positive change in her life. She is excited about her progress and motivated to keep going until she reaches her goal. So, all in all, this is the person who took the best decision for herself. Follow-up questions. 1. Should parents make decisions for their children? Yes, parents should make decisions for their children, especially when they are young. Young children lack the experience and understanding to make safe and wise choices. Parents can guide them in areas like health, education, and safety. However, as children grow older, parents should gradually involve them in decision-making to help them learn and gain confidence. 2. Do you think parents are the best people to decide their children's education? Yes, parents are usually the best people to decide their children's education because they know their children's strengths, weaknesses, and interests. They can choose schools and educational programs that align with their values and goals for their children. However, it's important for parents to also consider their child's opinions and interests as they grow older. 3. At what age do you think children can be allowed to make decisions by themselves? Children can start making small decisions by themselves at a young age, around 4 or 5, like choosing their clothes or what to eat for breakfast. As they grow older, around 12 to 14, they can start making more significant decisions, like which extracurricular activities to pursue. By the age of 18, they should be capable of making most decisions independently, though they may still seek advice from parents and others. 4. Why do most children find it difficult to make decisions? Most children find it difficult to make decisions because they lack experience and knowledge. They might feel unsure about the consequences of their choices and fear making mistakes. Additionally, they might be influenced by their peers, parents, and society, which can add to their confusion and pressure. 5. Should parents interfere in children's decision-making? Parents should guide and support their children's decision-making but not interfere too much. Children need to learn how to make decisions and understand the consequences. Parents can offer advice and share their own experiences but should allow children the space to make and learn from their own choices, especially as they grow older. 6. How should parents help their children make decisions? Parents can help their children make decisions by discussing the options and possible outcomes. They should encourage their children to think critically and consider the pros and cons of each choice. Parents can also share their own experiences and guidance without imposing their preferences. Teaching children problem-solving skills and allowing them to make some decisions independently can also be very beneficial. 7. Should children make decisions on their own? Children should start making some decisions on their own to build confidence and decision-making skills. Initially, these decisions can be small and age-appropriate. As they grow older, they should take on more responsibility and make more significant decisions. This helps them become independent and prepares them for adulthood. 8. Do parents in your country make decisions for their children? Yes, in my country, parents often make decisions for their children, especially when they are young. Parents decide on matters related to education, health, and daily routines. However, as children grow older, there is a trend towards encouraging more independence and allowing children to have a say in decisions that affect them. 9. Do you think it is advisable to listen to others' advice when making decisions? Yes, it is advisable to listen to others' advice when making decisions. Others can offer different perspectives and insights that you might not have considered. However, it's important to weigh this advice carefully and make a decision that feels right for you. Ultimately, the decision should be based on a combination of advice, personal values, and individual circumstances. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.